OTIS. Honest Campus rules!
Okay, sorry for the patience. Let Helena press the button now. Oh, taking this lift. That one just went up the floor. It's floor 10. And there's, that's the 6th little cool button has been replaced. Oh, up there there's the indicator. Press floor 10, way up there. Oh, and it press the button. Watch the indicator go up.
Don't we? Don't we want 9? Because the first floor is... I don't know what it is.
Oh, rattly.
9 or 10, I don't know.
It's 10.
Daniel, Grandpa's got a ticket that has a card thing that has 9 on it.
903.
They might have put us in a floor lower.
Oh, 10th. Oh, let's see.
It looks like it might be the floor lower than what we looked at.
Anyway.
That's really 10, you see. So we want 9.
Oh, let's see, it's floor 9. Let's see down floor 9. Oops, sorry. Okay, paper. Still, capacity of 10 persons and 680 kilograms. Oh, so no smoking. You can only hear the music. Oh, cab view. Oh, free Wi-Fi. Yay! Non-smoking floor. Okay.
Here we go.
If I ask you about time to a very long time. Oh, it's going up to floor 6. It's floor 7.
Daniel, are we going down?
Why are we going up to floor 11 to get a look out the window?
No, we're going down.
Going.
Up can go up to 11 next time.
If I ask you why?
Thank you.
Oh, again, button placed. Gate button. But what about that? Why not? And if I ask you, we're just taking these down and then up to 411. And I ask you, hear this.
Is that your music, Daniel?
Actually, you can't hear it. And it stopped at floor 4. Right, that's not how. And, oh dear, we didn't press. Oh, there we go. That's better. Oh my gosh. And where are they going to?
Why don't you go to 1?
Yeah, they're going to 1. Down. Yeah, so if I ask you. Oh, what? Oh dear, I did it. 1. If I ask you, I'm getting out of floor 2.
Are you part of a team?
Yeah. We're here for a rugby tour.
And guess what?
From where?
Australia.
There's no one on floor 2. And over there is the boardroom.
I'm in Sydney. 2 hours south of Sydney.
Wow, that's pretty
And now
So
down
where are
to
you-
floor
where are you
1,
playing?
which
Just
is
in Wellington and
the
everywhere?
restaurant.
Yeah, we're going home tomorrow. We've been here for about 10 days.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you win all your games?
I'm not all of them,
Yeah.
but just one.
And the restaurant's running too. And now down to the ground floor. That's not our music, is it?
Just push the right.
If I ask you, right up
Where
to
are we now?
7, but nope. I ask you, oh, hi,